quick. It's easy.
For the children?
For the children, yeah.
Easy.
It's easy?
Easy.
Okay.
I think so.
They must speak in English.
Yes.
They don't have the choice.
Well, when they're together,
yeah,
they speak in French.
And when they don't understand, when the teacher talk and the children don't understand what's happened,
they have to make the teacher repeat.
Oh.
They have to say, I don't understand.
Yeah.
We sure teach them.
Every time?
Well, we teach them to say, I don't understand.
Okay.
Can you repeat, please?
Okay.
Not, quoi? Comment? No.
No.
Can you repeat, please?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
That's
Only.
how it works. That's how it works. And even the parents, we encourage
when the parents come,
we say hello
yeah,
and goodbye and have a nice holiday, and we speak in English with the parents.
And when you have a parents didn't speak in English, they don't speak in English.
Well,
they never speak
in English. Well, then we speak French, but we always say hello and goodbye.
Yeah, right.
Because it's nice. That's what they.
Of course, it's a beautiful language. I like English.
You like English?
I like it.
It's lovely.
Right, of course. When you have a man, you have an accent. It's very sexy, no?
Yes.
Okay, thank you, Pascale.
It was my pleasure.
No, it was a pleasure for me too.
Okay.
Hello, girl. When you want to send the message or the mail, you have two possibilities. You have the mail address and you have the Facebook page. You could. How much? No. You could send the message.
Yes, you could.
And we mail you, and you said the
email.
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 Okay. Thank you, Pascale. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.